everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I am back with a new product to share with you a detailed review of this adorable pink cotton checker shirt for girls. I brought this shirt for my daughter annual day performance where she played a cowboy, which turned out to be the perfect outfit for my girl. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the overall look of this shirt. The checkered pattern is such a classic choice, and the combination of the soft pink and white gives it a lovely fresh vibe. It is perfect for kids. The design feels timeless yet playful enough for an event like a school performance or even like a casual outing. You can see the checks are evenly shaped, giving it a neat and polished look. It has a button down style with this cute little button that match perfectly with the shirt aesthetic. Material and comfort. Now let's talk about the material. It is of cotton. It is 100% cotton, which makes it super breathable and very soft to touch. This is so important, especially for kids, since they are always running around. Cotton shirt is very important for kids because nowadays children feel very hot, and cotton is very nice to wear these days. Because children are the one that always keep around running, playing. My daughter wore this for her school annual day where she had to dance and perform. And she didn't complain about feeling hot, itchy, even once. It's lightweight. This shirt is lightweight but not flimsy. The fabric feels durable and it can handle a bit of rough and tumble, which is always a plus when it comes to kids clothing. I got her this size and it perfectly fit for her style. The cut is slightly tailored so it doesn't look boxy, but is also not too tight. It allows for plenty of movements. When she wears this, allows her plenty of movement. There are also enough length to tuck into the jeans or short for a completely cowgirl or a cowboy look. For a cowboy look, I pair it with some denim jeans, a white belt and a cute cowboy hat, which I wore her on an annual day. It came together so well that she was thrilled and she was looking very beautiful on that day, and I really like the look. Now I'll talk about the practical features. One feature is that it's like the roll up sleeves. This is the sleeve, long sleeve. You can button them up for a more casual look. You can even button them up for a more casual look or keep them long and more for classic style. The buttons are sturdy. The buttons which are there, they are sturdy and easy for little finger to handle, which is always a bonus. Versatility. This shirt isn't just for performance. It's versatile enough for everyday use. You can wear it every day. For family outing, for even a picnic, or you want to go for a housewarming. This is of cotton, so you'll not feel hot. Your child can run here and there anywhere. It can be styled with leggings, skirts, or even layered under a jacket during a cooler weather. Honestly, it is one of the wardrobe staple which I would like to keep in my child cupboard. And you will want to wear her again and again because you will like this shirt very well. It will be one of your favorite. Now I'm going to talk to you about the pros and cons. It is soft, breathable, and it is made of cotton material. Classic checkered design that is stylish and versatile. Comfortable fit with adjustable sleeveless length. If you want to make it short, you can even make it short. If you want to make it long, it can be long also. Lightweight. It is of light weight and yet durable. What is the cons? The cons is this is in light color, so you'll need to be mindful of the stains. So If this light color, you have to be very careful with the children so that they don't get dirty while playing, while running around here and there. Overall, I'll say that the pros far outweigh the cons. So I like this t-shirt shirt very much. Even though it has the cons, I like the pros of it because it is lightweight, soft, breathable, and it is cotton material. Classic checkered design that is stylish and versatile, and it is a comfortable fit for my child that she will look beautiful in it. To wrap it up, I will say this pink cotton checker shirt is a fantastic buy. You must also buy this. Whether it was a theme event like my daughter cowboy performance or a casual wear, you can buy it and you can wear it for any occasion. It ticks all boxes: style, comfort, and quality. I'm so happy to purchase this material, and my daughter really like it, and it brought a smile to her face by wearing this on an annual day. If you're looking something like this, you can I will highly recommend you to buy this one. I will keep the link in the description, and let me know in the comments if you have any question and you like to see more reviews like this. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. This is more kid friendly product and parents also will like it. And this is completely soft, and it is a perfect summer shirt. You want to wear all the time. What I like about this shirt is it feels cool to your skin, even under stage light. When my child was on the annual day function, even on the stage light, it feels very cool. She really liked. She didn't sweat because it's made of cotton, and the durability also. In the label, they have written the outfit, original, and this is made in India product. The pattern and the design is also very stylish. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit a like button on my channel and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. And if you want to buy this cotton shirt, I have left the link in the description. You can buy this product online also. Thank you friends for subscribing to my channel. And if you want to watch more such amazing video, please support to my channel. Bye.